gently now, just like this.
Okay, I think I got it. Will they grow big?
With care, they will.
Be careful!
Would you like to pick one?
Yes, please!
Look, a big carrot.
Wow!
Look how many we have.
It's a great harvest.
Can I help? I'll get the basket.
Look how ripe this one is.
Wow, can I put it in? I picked one too.
Wonderful, sweetie.
These vegetables look so fresh. Yeah, let's get them home. It's a beautiful day for a walk. I got it! Thanks! Look, there's another big one up there. I'll get the basket ready.
The harvest was plentiful this year.
It will make for a wonderful feast.
I'm hungry already.
This is delicious, isn't it?
It really is. So glad we could all be here.
Yeah, can I have more rice?
What a beautiful sunset.
It's perfect. I'm so happy right now.
This is delicious.
It is. I'm glad we came out.
Yeah, it's so nice out here.
Can we do this again?
This is so warm.
Eat up, there's plenty. The stars are beautiful tonight.
Yeah,
Glad.
food is so
Have some more.